My credit score was 580. No one would approve me for anything. I felt stuck.
I kept getting rejected, Fed.io. For loans, credit cards, even apartments.
I learned the rules of the credit game Breitling and played smarter.
Here's how I boosted my score by 100 points in just 3 months.
Never miss a payment. I set auto pay for every bill. No excuses.
I paid down my credit cards and kept usage under 10%.
I got a secured card and used it just for groceries. Then paid it off fast.
Now I qualify for real things. Low interest. Higher limits. Options.
Your credit score isn't just a number silly. It's leverage. Learn it. Use it.